Welcome back to Kawasaki Bike, your trusted space for two-wheeled power and innovation. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Chawla Green, a bike that blends futuristic design with eco-conscious engineering. Its bold curves, aerodynamic frame, and signature green accents make it a head-turner for both city rides and long hauls. Engine and performance. Underneath its sleek body lies a robust single-cylinder, 250 cubic centimeters engine, designed to deliver smooth acceleration with minimal vibration. The 2025 Chawla Green focuses on responsive throttle control and low-end torque, ideal for urban traffic and weekend getaways alike. Features and technology. This model comes packed with modern tech, a fully digital TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity, GPS navigation, and smart ride modes tailored for city, sport, and eco-driving. Integrated LED lighting ensures clear visibility while enhancing the futuristic appeal. Comfort and ergonomics. The 2025 Chawla Green prioritizes rider comfort with a redesigned seat contour, upright handlebar positioning, and optimized foot peg placement. Whether commuting or cruising, the ergonomic setup reduces fatigue and boosts confidence. Suspension and handling. A telescopic front fork and monoshock rear suspension provide excellent road feedback and stability. Combined with lightweight alloy wheels, the Chawla Green feels agile and planted, even on tight corners or uneven surfaces. Braking and safety. Dual-channel ABS with front and rear disc brakes ensures quick and controlled stops. Additional safety features include traction control and a tire pressure monitoring system, great for riders who value security and performance equally. Fuel efficiency. Built with eco-efficiency in mind, the Chawla Green delivers an impressive mileage of up to 45 km per litre. The fuel injection system and ride modes help maintain performance without compromising economy. Conclusion. The 2025 Chawla Green is a statement, stylish, smart, and sustainable. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend explorer, this bike checks every box. Stay tuned to Kawasaki Bike for more honest reviews and updates on the best in two-wheel engineering.